Bam! What's good, man? Your boy Jay had so much fun on my last video, you know, displaying my magical tricks and all that. You know, I think I wanna test my luck again, y'all. So I think I might have something early, you know what I'm saying? So let me see if I can make a little something happen, you know? July? Hey, man. Denim. YouTube family. What's good with you? Oh man, your boy Jay is back, man. As promised, y'all, I do have some earlies for your eyes today, man. What's good with it, man? If this is your first time stopping through, rocking out with the fam, man, look, be a part of the fam today real quick. Scroll down, hit that subscribe button for your boy Jay, man. We are approaching another stepping stone, y'all. We are about to hit 167,000 over here, man. So hey, we want y'all to be a part of that number, man. So make sure that if you are watching for the first time, y'all hit that subscribe button, as well as if you are a continuous or previous viewer, you know what I'm saying, please double check, make sure that you're still subscribed, because y'all won't like believe how many people commented on my previous videos and told me that YouTube has unsubscribed them from my channel. Like, why y'all hating on me, bro? What I done did? What, I'm showing too many early? Like, but yeah, man, hey, don't let YouTube knock us down, man. Go ahead, make sure that you are still subscribed, as well as hit the thumbs up, man. Look, your boy Jay, I'm on a rampage, y'all. I'm here to give them to y'all early. Pause. Do I need to say pause? I ain't say give it to y'all early. I said give them to y'all early. I don't know, but if I need to say pause, pause. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all the early looks. We about to get back into the on feet drive, y'all. So make sure that y'all just stay posted, man, because we got some on feets in the works, man. Today of me making this video, we did have the release of the Jordan 17 Magical J. Yes, sir. Yes, thundering. You know what I'm saying? Lightnings. We did have the Lightnings drop today, man. Very limited shoe. They did not pop up on sneakers as promised, you know. So just neighborhood accounts, mom and pop stores got the Jordan 17 Lightnings. Y'all comment down below, man. Did you get them in your area? Did you pick up a pair, man? Y'all just let your boy Jay know. But like I said, hey, we be in the future. We're not worried about things of the past. So I do have a shoe that is set to be releasing in July. When in July, I don't know. I don't even know if July is the set date for this shoe, but I want to say it is sometime in July, so maybe a month and a half out on these. So I feel like, though, real quick before I do get into it, it's recycled product. Like, we've seen this type of shoe. Like, how many times is Jordan Brand gonna do the same thing over and over? And just to be real with y'all, I have not yet looked into the box yet. Nope. So I have not looked into the box. I do not know what this shoe looks like. I'm just speaking off of past shoes in my collection with the same similar name. Denim. Yeah, but outside of that, man, look, if you guys are getting into anything this summer, or even outside of the summer, you just want to be in with what's trending and what's hot and what's, you know, you need that you don't even know you need, you guys need to tap in with Soul Premise. Woo! Appreciate you. Bang, man. Look, man, Soul Premise has the #1, not 2, not 3, not 4, #1 travel bags out there, man. Look, man, numbers speak. Look, if you take a look around whenever you go out to any sneaker events, even maybe to airports, man, Soul Premise bags are pretty much spotted everywhere you go, and there's no mistake as to why you're seeing them, man. It is the #1 travel style bags, y'all. This bag right here that I do have with the light blue, you know what I'm saying, nice premium leather on it, and it goes nice with this box that I have right here, man. Like, bruh, bags to match the kicks is crazy. But the daily commuter bag, y'all, this bag in particularly holds 2 pairs of shoes on the inside of it. You have room on the inside for laptops, for computer accessories, toiletries, clothes, man, you name it. You can fit it all in this backpack style of bag, man. And you can get this for a steal. By using my link down below or my promo code JayTheSneakerGuy. I've been telling y'all for the longest time, y'all, take advantage of it, y'all. Whenever I go out like I said, man, I always get compliments on my bag. They're like, yo, where you got that bag? Or that's a nice bag, etc. I know you paid a grip for it.
Nope.
Nah, it's affordable with my promo code and my link down below, man. So if you guys are planning to take any trips, whether it's a 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, 2 weeks, they have you covered, and they have many shapes, sizes, colors over there at soulpremise.com, man. So tap into Soul Premise today. Use the promo code and the link down below. Hey, now is the time, y'all. There's no secret, like I said, as to why there's so many Soul Premise bags popping up. And like I've been telling y'all, they might be popping up in stores soon. So you might want to get a hold of them before they pop up in stores, and then that price goes up, man. So check out a Soul Premise bag today over at soulpremise.com. Use the link down below. It'll say you almost half off, man. But outside of that, man, we got some earlies to talk about. So let's get to it. Woo! Yes, sir. Bang, man. So your boy Jay does have a early on deck. Shout out to Fine Line 1721, man. That's my guy. Fine Line was the one who threw me the lob on these. So this in particular size, which is a, what is this? This is a size 11. Size 11 right here. I'm trying to see what's going on, cause size 11 right here, y'all. If you guys want this in particular pair, you can hit me up over at JTSG Closet. I should be getting more sizes on the way, so I should have like a 8 through maybe 13 by the time you see this video. But yes, these will be available over on JTSG Closet. Just hit me up if you want them early. You know your boy Jay got you. But size tag reads Air Jordan 1. Retro color blocking is Summit White Obsidian. Summit White Obsidian. But this does have a special type of packaging on it. When you look at it, y'all, it does have clouds. It looks to have clouds on the box, y'all. That's what I can get from it. And I want to say that it's a dark navy blue Nike written on here, man. So that's not black, that's navy blue. So you got the sky and then you got the navy blue, man. So popping off the box lid, we got the, you know, regular Nike stuff on there. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't worried about that. But hold on. Inside here we got the shoe paper, any white and green stickers or anything. Yep, we got a white and green sticker right there in the cut. So white and green sticker right here. And outside of that, we got the Jordan 1 High OG denim. I mean, bang. Okay, y'all. So here we have them, y'all. We got the Jordan 1 High OG denims, and they different. I mean, I could have did this though with a previous shoe, which I'm gonna show y'all here in a second. But the Jordan 1 High OG denims, y'all running out of ideas, man. Like they remix, yo, they finessing, yo. Jordan brand is big finessing, man. But these gonna go on sale, man. These are gonna go on shelves and sit there for a little while until they get that good old hang tag on them that says sale on it. You know what I'm saying? But they cool, but I won't be getting a personal of these, and I'm gonna be letting y'all know why I won't be keeping a personal of these. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know that here in a second. But Jordan 1 denims, bang. So here you have them, y'all, the Jordan 1 denim highs, y'all. And this is going to be one of those shoes where not one pair will look exactly the same because of the distressed and the little look that they put on it. If you take a look at the side panels, how it has like the ray of blue going through it, it's I guess it's a type of jean material that they distress and do whatever they with, and they just cut certain parts off and put it on the shoe. So of course every single shoe will be a different look to it, you know what I'm saying? But these ain't bad, and I'm sure that we're gonna get some pairs that look better than others and some maybe not so good. But depending on the pair you get, you know, you might have a good looking pair. But these are decent, you know, they are decent. But as I was telling y'all, man, do it come with any extra laces? Hold on. Let's look and see. Do we got any extra laces? Yeah, we do got extra. Ooh, the extra laces gonna look good too. So it does come with a set of navy blue laces. But didn't I see navy blue laces in some Jordan 1 denims before? You see what I'm saying? The games that they playing, you know. Yeah, bro, we gonna talk about it, y'all. But like I said, man, I feel like I've seen this shoe not once but twice, before in maybe a past life. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's set this up here for a second. Leave that like that, and let's get this shoe right here, and let's bang, man. So take a look at it, y'all. So we do got the Jordan 1 Low Denims that released a few years back, y'all. This was an overseas exclusive. These did not release in the US, but I don't know if they restocked or what the deal is with them, but they were going for like $400 at one point, but the prices went down like tremendously, like in the last couple months. Like these are now going for like 100 or something, but it had to have been a restock. That's the only way I see them going down as much as they did. But if you take a look at both of them, man, I don't know why the jean that they've been putting on these new or latest Jordan 1s, it looks like a synthetic type of jean or something. Like this looks more like a premium jean, like it could be like a Levi's or something. Like this jean material on here definitely looks more premium than this type of jean look, y'all. This looks very, I don't know, like I said, it has a cheap look. And another Jordan 1 High that released back in 2022, it had the same type of vibe. I'm gonna show y'all those in a second. But blue laces, man, of course these come with blue laces. Like I said, I've seen the blue lace look before, so it's kind of like, I mean, yeah, bro, they putting us in the blender right now, man. But if you don't own any denim shoes, I guess this might be the denim for you. But outside of these, I told you guys, we did see another denim Jordan 1 back in 2022. Magic. Bang! The Jordan 1 High women's denim. So now look, y'all. If I'm back here, like, look at this. Look at the finesse. Look at the finesse, bro. You got a all over denim. And I would argue, bro, I don't know, bro. I don't know, man. Y'all comment down below. I mean, they both cool, but these denims might look a little bit better, y'all. These denims might look a little bit better with the Distressed Wings logo right up there at the top. And it's not so much going on, man. These are kind of busy. But I do like the navy blue swoosh. I do like the navy blue swoosh that they did put on this one. But I don't know, man. I think that this is just I don't know, man. They both cool, bro. They both cool. However, I don't need any more denim, man. These did come with a spare pair of red laces. You know what I'm saying? To bounce off of this pair right here. And of course the red is a good touch to it. So if you do get your hands on this pair, you gotta already know that that red lace swap is gonna be a good little alternate choice for it. But yeah, man, like look at this, bro. The finesse is real, Jordan brand. So this was exclusive for the ladies. And this is, of course, full family sizing for men and all. And this is like the same similar thing that we have seen recently, y'all. If you guys have been to your malls lately or any local stores, y'all, they have a Jordan 1 mid that's floating around that is pink. And it looks the same exact way as the women's Jordan 1 High. What was the name of the pink ones? I forgot. Nah, it wasn't Crimson. I forgot the name of the women's pink highs, but it looks identical to it, but it's in a mid form. They made it a mid form, and those are for men. Like it's, I don't understand, man. So yeah, but these, y'all, they cool, bro. They cool. Like I said, it's pretty much the same thing as the women's shoe. They did something different with the bottoms on these. It looks like it has a craft bottom, y'all. It looks like it definitely has like some craftiness going to it. It got like speckles of something on there. So I don't know, man. I don't. Y'all talk to me down below in the comment section. What's your thoughts on the Jordan 1 High denim? And I can tell y'all right now, this is not gonna help the Jordan 1 wave out at all. Nope. These are gonna sit as well on the shelves. These are gonna go below retail, man. So like I said, man, I don't want to say Jordan 1s are dead. I gotta use my words delicately when I say this statement. Jordan 1 creativity is dead. That is what I want to stamp and say. Comment down below your thoughts on that, man. Like whether you think it's the Jordan 1 itself as the silhouette, or is it the creativity and the lack of just thinking outside the box that they put into these shoes, man. Because I know people think like, hey, it's the same silhouette. There's only so much you can do with it. I beg to differ, man, because if you look at Kool Kai, man, Kool Kai has remixed the Jordan 1 silhouette thousands. I gotta say, it gotta be up there, like hundreds. Let's just keep it real. Hundreds of times, you know what I'm saying? And his look like they be different. Each time I'm like, bro, that colorway go crazy. Every time I see a new Cool Kai shoe, I'm like, that colorway is crazy. Why don't we have any type of designers or anyone who can come up with anything other than this, ladies and gentlemen? Come on, bruh. So you telling me, out of the millions of dollars, the billions of dollars that your company is worth, that you can pay people, this is what y'all are coming up with, man? Man, come on, bruh. Y'all comment down below, man. Y'all let me know, am I tripping, man? Because this is it's funny to me, man. But yes, Jordan 1 High Denims releasing sometime in July, man. Is it a cop? Is it a pass? Are you done with Jordan 1s until, you know, they come correct, man? I think the next Jordan 1 that's gonna be correctly presented is the Jordan 1 Black Toes, man. And people are gonna argue, look, I know it has the Jordan written, Air Jordan written where the Wings logo is, man. Boo-hoo, bruh. Bro, it is the same exact color blocking as a black toe, man. Like, does that Air Jordan written right here make or break a shoe for you? Like y'all really being picky, bro. Like, you know, but me personally, it's a cop, it's a black toe, bro. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like a lot of people are gonna change their minds once that shoe does come around. But yeah, man, these they just mediocre, very mediocre, and it's something that I've seen before. But toe box, y'all, the toe box doesn't have any holes on it. It has like stitching of like some sort of like white stitch. So these are gonna be more of a warm shoe. It's not gonna have that much breathability due to the material on it, man. So I don't know if you're gonna want to pull these out during the summer, but I mean, hey, it's another option, man. But the Jordan 1 High OG Denims, man. Y'all comment down below your thoughts on them. Comment down below your state of the Jordan 1, how you feel about them. And like I just showed y'all all three of these Jordan 1s, man. It's come on, man. Yeah, but that is it for this one, man. Your boy Jay will be back with some more magic, you know what I'm saying, on the next vid. But y'all stay blessed. Thumbs it up. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Double check. Make sure that you're still subscribed. And outside of that, man, I'm gone. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.